Since many of us will find ourselves traveling this summer, I thought I'd share one of my favorite things to do when visiting a new place. It's eating like a local. You know, going to places that aren't necessarily fancy, but have the best local fare. In fact, this past year, we actually assembled our favorite recipes from across the country in a new cookbook. It's called the Ultimate Recipes Across America Cookbook. And today, I want to share a chicken recipe with you that's from Hawaii, which is perfect for this time of year. We begin by rubbing a split chicken with a dry rub that we've thrown together using a few basic spices. Now, we roast the chicken on a wire rack in a 400-degree oven. To make our chicken really moist and flavorful, we'll turn it and baste it every 10 minutes. As for the basting sauce, that's simply a combination of pineapple juice, soy sauce, ketchup, sherry, brown sugar, and ginger. One bite, and it's no wonder why this is so popular on the Big Island. Between the juicy meat and the tropical Asian-inspired glaze, this chicken is downright irresistible. To get the recipe for what we call Hawaii's Huli chicken, simply visit our website or pick up a copy of the cookbook. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found
Huli way.
for you to say, ooh, it's so good. What else did you play?